Hello guys, in this video I will talk about a croissant. The story of croissant begins not in France, but in the heart of Central Europe, Austria. In the late 17th century, Vienna was under siege by the Ottoman Empire. It was 1683, and the city was in danger of falling. As the story goes, local bakers who worked through the early hour heard strange rumbling beneath the city, suspecting enemy tunneling. They alerted the Austrian military, which foiled the attack to celebrate the victory. Bakers crafted a crescent-shaped pastry symbolizing the Islamic crescent moon, a subtle but delicious act of triumph over the Ottomans. That pastry was known as the kifrel, a crescent-shaped bread that had exciting for a century in Austria in various forms, but the symbolic version soon became a local favorite. In the 1770, the kifrel made its way to France, thanks in part to an Austrian princess, Marie Antoinette, married into the French royal family. She reportedly missed the pastry of her homeland and requested her court chef to recreate them, planting the early seeds of the croissant in French culinary culture. French bakers, inspired by kifrel, began experimenting. They replaced dense bread dough with a flakier, layered version, combining French technique of patisserie with Austrian inspiration. The modern croissant, as we know it, made with laminate. Yes, laminate dough was first recorded in 1915 by a French baker named Sylvain Claudius Goy. His recipe was a breakthrough, dozens of layers of butter, dough, and dough, folded with precision and baker perfection. By the early 20th century, the croissant had become a beloved staple of Parisian cafe and breakfast. No longer just a foreign curiosity, it had fully transformed into a French icon, elegant, flaky, and deeply ingrained in French identity. What makes a croissant truly special is not just the shape, it's the texture, the technique, and the tradition behind every buttery layer. At the heart of croissant is laminate dough, a process where the butter is folded between layers of yeasted dough again and again. This creates dozens, even hundreds, of ultra-thin layers. As the croissant bakes, steam from the butter separates the layers, causing the dough to rise and puff, forming the signature flaky structure. A perfection croissant has a delicate, crisp outer shell and soft honeycomb-like interior. It should be light, slightly chewy, and melt in your mouth buttery. While the traditional croissant is enjoyed plain, many variations have become just a beloved. From chocolate-filled pain, outer chocolate, to the almond-topped croissant with sweet frangipan filling, and many other. But no matter the filling or form, the one thing remains essential: the skill of the baker. Crafting a croissant is a true test of patience, precision, and passion. From its origin in Austria and refinement in France, the croissant has since traveled the world, adapting, evolving, and inspiring new creation across continents. Today, croissant is no longer just a breakfast staple. It's a global canvas for creativity, filled with chocolate, pistachio, matcha, or layered with almond cream and toast flakes, or many other. Modern bakers have pushed the boundaries even further, giving rise to hybrid like cronut croissant and donut fusion, or cube-shaped croissant with molten filling, or and many other. On the social media, the croissant has become the visual star, shared, reshaped, and reinvented for every generation of food lover. Yet for all the innovation, the heart of croissant remains unchanged, a celebration of craftsmanship, indulgence, and the joy of well-made pastry. From a symbol of victory in Vienna, the breakfast ritual in Paris, and now global icon, the croissant is more than just a pastry. It's a story told through a layer of history, skill, and flavor. Each fold, each bite carries the legacy of centuries, reminding us that even the simplest thing can have the richest story. So, the next time you enjoy the croissant, take a moment to taste the journey. Maybe that's all for me. Thank you for watching and see you in next video.